Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show you how to recover Facebook account ID without email and phone number. First, try to log your Facebook account with Google Chrome web browser. Then you will see like this page. Facebook says please confirm your identity. Click the continue. Then you will see option. Get the code to your phone. Sometime when you use the email address, it says get code to email or to the phone number. Unfortunately, we do not have phone or email. But you should click the continue. Then you will see your mobile number and other option to confirm identity. Click the confirm identity another way. Now you can see another option. Select the upload a photo ID. In this page, upload your driving license or national identity card picture. Make sure to give with clear picture. Then they ask email address for reply. Type the your present email address. After a few minutes later, you will receive an email from Facebook. They give you a link to log into your profile. Or they give password to log into your profile. You can choose one of option to recover your Facebook account. Facebook gives additional advice to recover Facebook account with this email. For more information, read it. I am using the link Facebook gives. Use the Google Chrome browser. Then you will log in successfully to your Facebook profile. After login to the Facebook, you should add email or phone number to secure your profile. And you should change the password on your Facebook profile. To add new email or phone number, go to the setting and click the personal info. Then contact info. Then you will see what is your old mobile numbers and emails. You can remove the old phone numbers and emails. Let's add new email, phone number to secure account. I am going to add email address to secure account. After add the email, Facebook send you an email to confirm it. Confirm the email using Facebook given code. Now your Facebook account recovered and secured. This is the all tutorial. Please comment below. Is it work or not?